Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. For those of you that are new, you are most welcome. Those of you that are existing subscribers, you are of course also most welcome. If you are new, then please don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notification of all new videos that I produce. So you find me at my familiar starting point, which is the railway station. Okay, so without further ado, I think we will make a start because it is rather busy here. I guess as you can see, I am on my own, and obviously there's reasons for it, and so as always there has been a request made that I am fulfilling. Let's just carefully get out of the railway station. The request is from a lady whose name is Denise, and she now lives in Chesterfield, and once again it's her great granddad who used to work in Halifax, so we will show you that factory. Unfortunately it has been demolished, but she has given me an address that they used to live at, which is actually across from the factory, which is Smith Wires on Pellon Lane. So it's a nice easy journey, and it's a lovely morning, so I do hope you'll enjoy the short drive and the look around Penn Street. She also mentioned another street, I think is either Mount Terrace or Mount Pleasant, and again I think that's been demolished, but I will show you the situation anyway. Okay, so hopefully you are recognizing the landmarks. We are on Winding Road and approaching the bus station. So what we're going to do is turn left at the top, which is of course Broad Street Plaza, and then go further up and then turn right into Pellon Lane. And the area that we will be visiting is about, I would say, 700-800 meters up the road, but of course it is very, very busy, so hopefully it won't take us too long. Traffic lights took a long time, so I turned the phone off. So going past the plaza, to the left of us Town Hall and the rest of the town centre. Yeah. So once again the traffic lights are rather long, so we turn the video off, and it's going to happen once again, I think. Right, so at this point we turn right into Pellon Lane. So Pellon Lane starts over there where the flats are. Okay, so we are about to go on to Pellon Lane. Okay, so this also takes us out into the countryside towards Mount Tabor, and then into Mixenden. I think we can get to Lancashire as well on this side. Certainly can get to Haworth. So ahead you see familiar landmarks of Martin's Mill, that is now really nice apartments. To the left of us was a retail park that once again is being demolished, and the framework remains and it's being rebuilt. Ahead of us to the right is another retail park. So we're actually going to get there a lot quicker than I anticipated. So to the right of us a lot of Victorian properties, which hasn't obviously changed for the since they were built really. And to the left of us large areas were demolished, and that is the area that I showed you from the other side. So we are almost there actually, viewers, so this is going to be a nice short journey, and Denise has asked me to show the whole of Penn Street so that she can discuss it or show the rest of the family. It is my pleasure, Denise. So it's nice and easy. We're in the area, so I find a parking spot and then hopefully show you the areas that you would like to see. It's actually difficult because it's a one-way system, so I'll have to go all the way around. Okay, so at least you're getting a view of the area, Denise. I think the next one is Penn Street, but I'm not sure. When I get out, we will see it, no doubt. Yep, I think this is the one. Okay, so I shall try and find a parking spot. That's excellent. Okay, what I'll do is I'll park up and then firstly show you where Smith's Wires was, and then come back and show you the Penn Street. Okay viewers, I'm out of the car now, and to the best of my knowledge, Smith Wires used to be here. This is now a care home. It's called Pellon Lane Care Home. Okay, just going further down to show you the journey that we made. Okay, so that is the journey that we made. So as you can see, a very residential area. So the houses on the left date back to the 1890s, and as I say, the ones on the well, that is a former drinking place. I'll just quickly show you, because it's nice architecture. And then we'll go back up to show you Penn Street. So the other street I think that you said was Westmount Terrace or Westmount Place. In fact I'm almost certain that it was here. Okay. So as you can see, the Victorian houses once again, and there are a number of streets starting with that one up there, which is called I think it's called St. Augustine's Terrace. So I've actually forgotten whether it's this one. Oh yeah, this is Penn Street, Denise. So hopefully you can show your relatives all of it, and they will recognize if we look on this side, it's been renamed in these new houses. I guess I never knew that. And do know there were terraced houses here, so I just assumed that they were Westmount Place, but it's actually, well, now it has been renamed. Okay, Louise, it says up there Penn Street, numbers 23 to 41. Okay, so hopefully you do know the number, and you'll be able to work it out. YouTube.
Sorry?
YouTube.
Take my house for what?
So this is one side of it, Denise. And then we have some parking spaces here, no doubt, for the residents. I mean, we had friends on St. Augustine's Terrace, so we used to pass this area quite a lot, and I do remember a terrace here. So that was where Westmount Place was. Okay, so it's on that side, Louise. I'll walk right to the end, although this is also called Howard Street on this side. So as I say, behind is the St. Augustine's Church and St. Augustine's School. Okay, so we are up to number 50 there. We saw there were people there, so I stopped, tried to avoid them. Okay, so as you can see, people have extended the houses into what we call dormers. So I will take you right to the end, and hopefully your relatives can work out your address. So that is number 56, that will be 58, and the last one is number 60. Okay, I'm going to walk back now, Louise. So as I said, this is one side of Penn Street, and then that is the other side, and on the other side we have this street, which is called Howard Street. Okay, so that was a nice short one. It's a lovely sunny morning to be out filming, and as always there are lovely views in the background as well. Once again, that is Queensbury once again. Okay, and that is the whole of Penn Street. So as I say, some houses on this side to the end. This is Westmount Place as it is now. So these houses look as if they were built in the 1990s, and of course they're also part of that big estate that starts here and goes all the way to Hudson Lane. Okay, Denise, so this is the other half. Perhaps you can see better if I go backwards. Okay, so that is where it starts at that end, and we come all the way around, and it is on that side. Okay, so as you can see, some modern houses on that side. Okay, I think we'll end the video there, viewers. I do hope you've enjoyed today's short journey. Denise, I hope you've enjoyed the short journey. So unfortunately there's not much we can show you of Smith wires other than its position. Hopefully your granddad had a good time when he was working there, but obviously he had a reason to move to Chesterfield, which is a nice part of the world, and this is the area that he left behind. So it just remains for me to say thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also make a plea to everybody to please watch the videos fully. Don't skip, and that way my viewing time will improve. And of course I need help to achieve the 1000 mark. So I say to you, thank you for watching. Look after yourselves, look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। मैं आपका दुआ गो हूँ। अल्लाह हाफिज़, खुदा हाफिज़।